going to show you guys how to make your own fondant. First of all, this Wilton product is a really great product and I used to use it all the time, but Michael's made it so you can no longer use any of their coupons, so it's become too expensive, and for cost wise I decided to start making my own, and I'm going to show you guys how. So stay tuned. So to make your own fondant, you're going to need a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, a candy thermometer, a digital scale, mine just happens to look like a slice of an orange, sugar, water, cream of tartar, gelatin powder, warm water, corn syrup, glycerin, shortening, and icing sugar. In your stand mixer bowl, you're going to add your gelatin with warm water. Then you're going to add your corn syrup and your glycerin. If you had two hands, you can use a spatula to try to scrape that out. I didn't. Then you're going to add your shortening. Come on little guy. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to cook our sugar with the water and cream of tartar to 115 degrees, which is also known as softball stage. While we wait, I'd like to dance, so here's some good dancing music. Now that our sugar is to 115 degrees, we're going to pour it into the stand mixer bowl with the gelatin. We're going to add the entire bag of icing sugar, which is a lot easier to do with two hands, and try not to make a mess. We're going to mix it on slow speed for 20 to 30 minutes. And while we wait, I'm going to turn on the dancing music again.
I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft, not looking for no.
Sneak peek here, and we can see that it's starting to thicken up, and that's thanks to the gelatin as the mixture cools down. Still has a way to go, so we're just gonna speed it back up, and I'll see you at the end.
But I'm flying so high, I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories, now the sun's gone down. Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
So after 25 minutes, it thickened up quite nicely. So I'm just gonna stop the bowl. We're going to transfer all the fondant into a plastic bag. I just happen to have leftover Valentine's Day bag on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. It's the only thing I had big enough. Make sure we get every last little bit out that we can. Now we're going to squeeze all the air out, and we're just going to seal it up. And we're just going to store it in an airtight container for 24 hours so the gelatin has time to set and make it a lot easier to work with. And that's how simple it is to make your own fondant. So you can either make it or you can buy it. Either option is really great. They're both great products. But here are the costs of making it versus buying it. And have a great day, everybody. If you like what you saw, subscribe and hit the little bell icon if you want to be notified when I post new videos.